My name is Imants Bergs. I'm coming from Latvia, from Turiba University. I'm Hanoi Vice Rector for Study Development and International Cooperation. On the same time, I'm a chairman of the board of university. This decision was made already a few years ago because we are looking to Vietnam as a very prospective market, and we make a lot of preparation work back at home to work in Vietnam for a long time project and including several kind of activities here in Vietnam, and one of those of course is a B2B meetings with the prospective agents. It's not only participation in some educational fairs and seminars to meet the prospective students, but agents mostly are the key persons, and NET24 provides such opportunity. NET24, the best company for the B2B, and it's honestly, I like several things. One is you are focusing, if we compare with another such kind of companies, you are focusing to higher education, to university level, which is very important for me, like for university. The second thing is geography of the agencies. What are you covering? Even if the event is in Warsaw, it's very colorful or very diversified from the different kind of different regions of the world. And the third thing is you are very open company for cooperation and common ideas to do together crazy things.
Very happy to hear that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice words and participation.
Thank you very much.